What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're having a great day. I want to first start off by thanking all you guys who have subscribed to my channel. If this is your first time watching my videos, do me a big favor and smash that subscribe button for me. Okay guys, so today we're going to be kind of switching it up. Normally I do a lot of automotive videos and how-tos, but today I'm going to show you guys hopefully how to repair a watch using this universal kit. Normally I wear a smartwatch, but the other day I wanted to wear one of my other watches. I have a whole bunch of watches. I don't know about you guys, but I love watches. Well, it was dead. I took it to the garage. I went to see if I could get the faceplate off the back and I couldn't get it off. I grabbed another watch, same thing, I couldn't get it off. So that got me to thinking I need to order a kit. I went straight to Amazon and I found one that I think will work. So I got it in the other day and I'm gonna put it to the test. I'm only gonna replace the batteries on one of my watches because that's the only battery I have. I grabbed some of my watches to see if it'll take the back faceplate off these watches. Put it to the test. These are the watches I'm gonna try to take off the back faceplate on. This is the one I'm gonna replace the battery because that's the only battery I have for. But on all these other ones, I'm just gonna take the faceplate off the back and see how well this universal kit actually works. Okay guys, so here's the kit. Open her up. Bam! This is all the stuff you guys get in the kit. It does come with this nice little orange manual, not really an orange manual, but like a how-to on how to replace multiple stuff on your watch and what all the functions that's in the kit. So this is actually pretty handy to kind of keep in the carrying case. So that way, if you need to know how to do something on your watch, this will kind of instruct you on how to do it. And it actually labels all the items that are in here and what they're called and kind of shows you how to use them all. So it's actually pretty handy to keep in the case. I'm gonna leave mine in there so I don't lose it, and because you know I didn't know what that was for. So yeah, it's actually pretty handy to keep. So yeah, and this actually all the stuff that's in here is actually pretty well made. None of it's actually cheap. It feels really nice and really sturdy. But yeah, let's go ahead and get what we need. I'm gonna need this. This is gonna hold our watch. So I'm gonna go ahead and get our stuff set up and put the watch in and get it ready to take the back off. All right, like I said, this is the watch that we're gonna be doing. The battery is dead on this Timex, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this strap out. This just actually sits in here, and then you just tighten this up and it'll hold your watch in place. Like so. Okay, and then on this one we just need to pry. You see that little opening right there? That's where we're gonna be prying. So we reach in our carrying case and get our little pry tool. And let's see about prying this open. All right. That was actually pretty simple. There's our battery. And this is a little battery pry tool, but I think on this one, you're supposed to, yeah, see that little screw? And you need to take that screw out. And this looks like this cover comes off the top. There's like a little screw right there. So before we get that battery off, I need to get my little screwdriver that's in the kit. This one here. And see if I can get that battery off. Okay. Get our little tweezers that are in the kit. These tweezers are actually pretty nice. Look at this. All right. So about grabbing our screw. And now we can use this to get our, cool. There's that. Grab our new battery. Make sure there's no plastic on the back. Put our battery back in. Little okay. Grab our screwdriver. All right, once you get that on, we kind of use this little, comes with this little hammer here. Obviously, you don't want to use the metal side. We're going to use the nylon side to get the cover all the way on, secured. Okay, once that's on, release the watch out of here. And it's working. Cool. And the cover is back on. It's not damaged, and the surface is not damaged as well. So yeah. All right, let's try a different watch. All right, guys. Up next is the Seiko. This one's a little bit different. This one, this back faceplate actually unscrews, so we need to use a different tool. And then use this tool here to remove the straps from the face of the watch. So we need to put the pins here, put the pin there. Release the strap. All right. Now we can go ahead and put the watch and the same on. This one's a little wider, so I'm gonna open this up. It unscrews because you can tell. You see how these has different slots. That will dictate that it unscrews versus pries open. Let's just set it in. Now we go ahead and see how this watch has slots. So we need to go ahead and grab this tool. And this tool actually comes with a whole bunch of different little bits in this little container, and there's different sizes and ends depending on what your watch uses. My watch uses is these little square ends, so it's like basically a square. So that's what I'm going to put it on. Put all three of them on there. Depends on what your watch uses. Grab our watch. Grab our little tool here and just put these in the slots. You may need to open it or wind it. We'll open ours up so they fit in. Once you get all of them lined up, add some pressure and twist. Alright, and this one actually uses, a, I don't know what it says, a TS920E. Okay, now we can put it back. Okay, nice and tight. Best way to do this is to just get one side in and grab the tool and just guide it into the hole like so. And we're back. So go ahead and order our battery and we'll replace it. So like I said, guys, this is definitely really helpful. Definitely a nice tool to have. All right, let's see if we can get the faceplate off this Bulova watch here. That was easy. This actually uses a real small battery. Now I can actually see what kind of battery it uses. It's a 364 On the face of this one, it didn't tell me what size battery it was, so now I know. You see this? This is where I had taken it before, and someone has scratched up my face. So it's actually better if you just do it yourself instead of relying on someone else scratching up your watch. And never realized it until now that I guess someone else has. I took it up before. I forgot where I was. I took it to a jeweler to replace the battery in this watch, and obviously they didn't do a very good job. Put that back on so we don't lose our items. All right, guys, so there you go. A very helpful and very useful tool. I definitely recommend you guys getting one if you guys don't have one. I'm gonna put the product in the link in the description below on where you can get yours. If you found this video helpful, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.